Hello traders and welcome back to another video. How you guys doing? Hope you're good. Today I have a very good thing I want to share with you guys, and just like you seen in the topic, this is the indicator I want to share with you is the order block indicator using the smart money concept to figure out where the order flow is, and you can use that as a technically for your entries as well. I'll be sharing it on the Tradingview and also on the MetaTrader, and I'll be sharing a link in the description to link to my Telegram, WhatsApp, or any contact if you are looking to get this. All right, so this is very simple. This is the XPX 500 time. This is the 4 hours time frame. So this is the previous trade we took on the trade, and this is another trade we actually looked at last week before, but the market didn't trigger us in. So if you move to the lower time frame, you can see we have the entry right here, which is going to be buy stop. So we expected the price to be able to hit this. The TP1 is around here, and the TP2 is around this side because there's an potential order block here as well. So if you want to identify this, it's very simple. I've already clicked it here. This is it, and you just show it. So you can see it right here. It's shared bearish OB, bearish OB. It shows the order block, and the OB means order block. So this is the bullish OB, and you can see it's identified. Really goes on the 4 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. It identifies in all time frame, right? So, what I don't like about this indicator, I don't see anything because it just kind of give me everything I need, which is the brick of structure. So, um, to use this indicator, you have to have a basic knowledge of the SMC, which is the smart money concept as well. So you will know able to know what a change of character, a break of structure is as well. So this is it on the trading view. So now I'll be going as well to the MetaTrader 4 and be showing you guys which is more. I think the MetaTrader 4 version is more cool. To me, it's more cooler. You're going to check it as well because it has a very organized more than the TradingView one. So you'll be getting, and if you are getting the indicator, you'll be getting both, right? So I'll be sharing you that now.
So this is the indicator I was talking about, and the indicator is a order block indicator. It identifies the order block, and as you guys know, you can use this order block. Order block is the one major part of you know SMC, right? And we use order block a lot. In fact, most of our strategies is based on order block strategy, the change of character and so on. So this is just one phase of it. And I'm going to explain how you can use this order block indicator as well to maximize your profits and trading as well. So it's very, very, very simple, nothing to add. So I'm going to teach you on how to install it, but this is how the indicator looks once you install it. So this is on it on the daily time frame, and you can see it's identifying the order blocks right here on the daily time frame. It can do the same on the weekly time frame if you want to see the weekly time frame, and you can see that we have the weekly right here, and it can indicate the weekly as well. And as well, you can see from the daily, you can go to the 4 hours and you're going to see that little thing telling you that this is a 4 hour time order block. And right here, you can see also that we have the OB here at the 4 hour. It can show you from the 1 hour time frame as well to the 30, to the 15, to the 5, and to the 1 minute. I mean, you can get all order block from monthly to 1 minute time frame, everything identified for you, nothing, like with no stress and nothing. And you can clear it all at once if you want it to be cleared. You just press the clear button. All right, you just clear the clear button. So if you want the lines, you can choose if you just want the lines to be there. But if you want the rectangles, you can choose as well that. So I just press the line button and you can see that the other block is just shown by lines. But you can change that into rectangle and it's going to show you in a rectangle. So you can also choose that. This will also make your chart clean and really nice and not too complicated. All right. So let's go in how to install it, and I'll also tell you more about how to get more entries on it. It's very, 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 very easy. So what to do is once you got the indicator, let's say you just downloaded it. So you go to the file and then you open the data folder. So once you open the data folder, you go to the MQL4, you go to the MQL4, and then you go to the indicators. So once you go to the indicators, you copy the indicator you just downloaded. If you're getting it, all right, this will be it, the Visionex order block, breaker indication, and the share strong order block trading indicator. So you copy it inside your indicator in the MetaTrader, and then you close it. Once you close it, you close the whole MetaTrader, and then you reopen it, and then you have this. It's very easy to install. So once you've done that, once you install it, I just installed mine as well, but I can show you again if you want. So you go to the file again, you open the data folder. Once you open the data folder, you go to the MQL4 here, and then you go to the indicators. So let me minimize this. So, so here we have the indicator, and here we have, so once you download it, so this is the file right there. You just drag it in here, and then since I have it here, that's why I didn't put it again. So you just drag it in here. Once you do that, that is all. You close it, and then you close the MetaTrader, reopen it, and then there you go, you have it. It's absolutely very easy. So one of the things you're going to do again is if you want to make sure you're getting it, so you can see we have the 4 hour here, and then it's showing you the 4 hour time frame for that block. So what you can do here, I'm going to put this back into the rectangles because I love the rectangles. It can really make me to identify it really fast. Is how we identify the supply and demand, and we order block as well. So yeah, I'll be looking for, let's say I wanted to trade in the 50-30 minute time frame, and I wanted the 30-minute time frame and the 1 hour. I wanted the 1 hour order block as well as the 15-minute order block as well. So let's go to the 15 minutes. If I've gotten this order block, I could have been able to take the entry here, although I didn't take any entry on this trade today. I didn't take any trades. I only took Euro JPY, but I'll be explaining that later. And if I've taken a sell here, this would have been a complete profit. So we can test it on a lot of pairs as well. You can open a lot of pairs and test it as well. So let me check the market, right? So let's check the USD JPY chart window. Okay, so we just change the properties, change this black and white, and just a little bit of changes here, not really much. Okay, so we have the USD JPY here. Okay, and then we can move the time frame as well. So we have the USD JPY here, and let's install the indicator on it, and let's see how we'll be able to trade. Let's say we are looking for a trade around this area. Let's say, all right, so let's do that now. So what you do is you go to the navigator, and then you can see it right here, which is this order block. All right, so you press OK, and there you have it. So you can see it from the weekly time frame. You can see this week is on a bullish one for the USD JPY weekly. So we're probably expecting the price to get to the weekly order block right here. But this is from the weekly. And you can press the monthly as well. It's going to show you the monthly um, order block, both from the buy and the sells. So you can press the daily and then you can go to the daily time frame. So here we have a daily OB here and we have a price breaking a structure right here, moving to the daily time frame order block. So you might be expecting a rejection here, and this is how you can use this to take a trade. You can place a sell limit right here, depending on your risk to reward. Maybe you want to refine your order. So if you want to refine your order back to the 4 hour, you can do that as well. Go to the 4 hour time frame, and it's going to refine the order for you. You're going to check this out. You can see that on the 4 hour, you can press the 1 hour, you can go to the 30 minutes, and you can go down to any time frame, going to the 1 minute time frame, and you can use that to get entry. All right, you can use that for your entry, for your sell, for your buy. Once the price gets to the OB here, you go for your sell, and gets to the blue rectangle, you go for the buy. Depending on your knowledge on the SMC, although there's a lot more you're going to take before entry, but order block is just one important thing you have to know. So I think I've done the explanation for how to install and how to use it. If you want the indicator, it will be in the link in the description, and you can also talk to the admin to get yours as well. And if you're on the premium channel as well, you probably should have gotten one as well. So that's it about this indicator. It's very easy to use and it makes your chart even more neat. Okay, nature chart, but it works on both an MT5 and an MT4. You can use it in any time frame. You can use it on any time frame, and you can use it to determine your entry on any time frame. All right. So thank you, and